Hello, this is Cat and Photo. Today, I'm going to focus on photography in this video. The theme is bokeh. Bokeh is blurry areas in a photo where the outline is not clear. Bokeh is actually originally a Japanese word that gradually became a technical word for photography. It is said that beginners of SLR cameras fall in love with blur at least once, and I am one of them. This time, I'll try to make the cat sharp and the surrounding objects blurry to create an attractive background with what I have in the park. Now, let's see the video. That's it for today's video. There are 3 types of bokeh: back bokeh, front bokeh, and ball bokeh. In this case, I was able to beautifully capture the back bokeh, which blurs the back of the main subject, and the front bokeh, which blurs the front of the subject. Since I used a single focal length lens, I was able to make the main subject stand out by using a small aperture value. Also, to create a back bokeh effect, I tried to keep as much distance as possible between the main subject and the background. And to create a front bokeh effect, I brought the object I want to blur closer to the camera lens. This time, the weather was cloudy, which made it difficult to create ball bokeh. But in this background, light passes through the shadows of the trees to create ball-like shapes. The ball bokeh appears when there is a small, strong light in the background, such as a light bulb. Recent smartphones can create bokeh through digital processing, but the bokeh of an SLR camera is so natural and beautiful that I still want to master the art of blurring the background. Then, see you in the next video.